This is 2025 National Common Entrance Examination past question for primary pupils. So the subject that we have is quantitative reasoning. So we are going to start with sample B. And in sample B, what they did here is very simple. If 5 is not given, you will do 7 plus 3. It will give us what? 10. 10 divided by 2, it will give us 5. If 2 is not given, you will do 7 plus 3, 10. 10 divided by 5, it will give us 2. If 7 is not given, you will do 5 times 2. It will give us what? 10. 10 minus 3, it will give us what? 7, and so on and so forth. So we are going to apply this in solving this. So for this one, this part is not given. So what I will do now is 5 times 6, it will give us 30. 30 minus 9, it will give us 21. We move to question number 5. For this, these two are given. So I will do 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. It will give us what? 7 over 12. Look at it here. You find the LCM, which is 12. 12 divided by 3, it will give us what? 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So when you add it, it will give us what? 7 over what? 12. Then divide by what? By 1 over 2. So when you change the division sign to multiplication sign, it will become 2 over what? 1. You reduce to the lowest term. This cancel this 1. Divide this, it will give us 6. So answer to question number 5 is 7 over what? 7 over 6. That is option E. We move to question number 6. In number 6, this part is not given. So what I will do now is I will do 2 times 5, 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. I will now move to question number 7. In number 7, I will do 6 plus 9, 15. 15 divided by 5, it will give us 3, meaning that answer to this point is what? Option C. For sample A, if you are looking for 12, you will do 3 times 4, 12. If you are looking for 3, you do 12 divided by 4, it will give you 3. If you are looking for 4, you will do 12 divided by 3, it will give us 4. So we will apply this concept in solving these 3 questions that we have here. So for this one, we are looking for this. So we will do 90 divided by 5, it will give us 18. We move to the next question. We are looking for this part. So we will do 9 multiplied by 9. It will give us 81. For this, we are looking for this part. So what I will do now is minus 1 over 6 divided by minus 1 over 3. Actually, minus divide minus will give us plus. Okay. So what I will do now is 1 over 6 divide by 1 over 3. So when I change the division sign to multiplication sign, this 1 over 3 will become 3 over 1. So when I multiply through 1 times 3, it will give us 3. 6 times 1, it will give us 6. When I reduce it to the lowest term, it will give us 1 over 2. So answer to this question is what? Is in option D. Now back to sample C. What they did here, if you are looking for 5, you find the square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5. And if you are looking for this, what you are going to do is this. Find the square root of this, which is 3. Remove it from 5. It will give you what? 2. You now do 2 times 2, 4. If you are looking for 9, what you are going to do is this. Find the square root of 4, which is 2. Remove it from 5. It will give you 3. 3 times 3, 9. So we are going to apply that concept in solving question 8 to 10. Now, at this point, this n is not given. So we will find the square root of 25 is 5 plus square root of 9 is 3. So when you add it up, it will give us 8. Answer to that question is option A. We move to question number 9. This point is not given. So we find the square root of 64, which is 8. Remove it from 15. It will give us 7. 7 times 7 will now be 49. We proceed to question number 10. In question number 10, this point is not given. Find the square root of 169, which is 13. Remove it from 19. 19 minus 13, it will give us 6. 6 times 6 will give us 36. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, try to do so that you will get notification when I upload new video, and share as well to your friends and well wishers so that they will benefit as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.